black-eyed peas and rice with saltfish. And we have 16 ounces of black-eyed peas here that we soaked in 6 cups of water overnight. We're gonna boil the black-eyed peas in 6 cups of water. So it's been boiling for 30 minutes and it's done, and you can tell because it's easy to crush.
Mm-hmm. We're going to strain it now, right?
Okay, so we're gonna strain it. 12 ounces of saltfish. We washed the salt out of it. We soaked it in hot water overnight and then we drained it out. And we have 1 coconut cut up, 1 coconut, and we're gonna blend it. We're gonna add half of the coconut in this bowl. We're just gonna do half at a time. So this is half of a whole coconut. We're gonna add 2 cups of water. And we're gonna blend. Okay, so this is what it looks like. All of our coconut milk. We have 2 cups of rice, 1.5 carrots, some thyme, 2 stalks of celery, 1 small bell pepper cut up, 1 Scotch bonnet pepper. We have 1 chopped onion here, grating 5 cloves of garlic. And I cut up the beignet. This is what we're going to add into the black-eyed peas. We're mashing up the saltfish. Alright, so this is how the texture is when you mash it up fine. Okay, so a 3rd cup of oil. The oil is hot, so we're gonna put the saltfish. So it's done. This is what it looks like after it's been fried. We want to fry it until it's golden brown. We took out the saltfish and now we're gonna add the onions, the carrots, the celery, the bell peppers, the thyme, and the garlic. I think that's it, and beignet. Just cut it in half. Okay, we're gonna add the black-eyed peas. 2 cups of rice, and we washed it, and now we're putting it in. So we didn't add any salt because the saltfish might have some salt. We're going to let it cook for 5 minutes. Okay, so it's been cooking for 5 minutes. So we're going to add the 4 cups of coconut water, or coconut milk, 2 extra cups of water, okay, so half a teaspoon of black pepper. Okay, so we're going to let it cook
For about 20 minutes,
for about 20 minutes. And it's done. I'm going to add saltfish. Okay, awesome. It's good.